Hi Auto Pips! In this short video, matututunan nyo kung paano mas maging mabilis at mas matalino sa paggamit ng offset command sa AutoCAD. Alam naman natin na madalas ginagamit ang offset pero hindi lahat alam na may mga hidden powers ito. From offset through a point hanggang sa pagkontrol kung saang layer mapupunta ang output and even doing multiple offsets in one go. Lahat yan kayang-kaya nating gawing mas efficient. So if gusto nyong bawasan ng clicks, bawasan ng cleanup at mas mabilis makabuo ng geometry, this tip is definitely for you. So let's dive in. Gagawa tayo ng iba't ibang klaseng pag-offset. Pero before tayo mag-start, may offset itong object na nandito sa ating drawing area. Puntahan muna natin yung Home tab. And under the layers panel, we will change it into inner layer. Ngayon, quick refresher lang, offset is one of the most useful commands sa AutoCAD. Kasi it allows us to create parallel objects either by distance or through a specific point. And ang unang titignan natin ngayon is offset through. Kung mapapansin nyo dito, mga AutoPips, na sa left side ng drawing, may blue line tayo. Nasa outer layer siya. And as the name suggests, nasa labas siya ng shape. Ano nga bang goal natin dito? Goal natin is ilipat siya sa loob ng shape at gawin siyang part ng inner geometry natin. So, ang una natin gagawin dito is dalawang bagay ng sabay. Una, offset through. Pangalawa, offset directly to the current layer, which is the inner one. So, let's do it. Una, we have to go to the Home tab. Then, under the Modify panel, this one, let's click the offset icon. As we click it, pagdating natin sa drawing area, mapapansin natin sa command line na may option for layer. This one, di ba? Pag ganyan, we can either click this or I can also right-click and select the layer. And then, let's select the current. Ibig sabihin, kahit anong i-offset ko, automatic na mapupunta siya sa current drafting layer, which is yung inner natin. Ngayon, mag-a-ask siya ng distance. So, right-click ulit. And then, piliin natin yung through. And then, select natin yung line. This one. Ang magiging through point natin is itong end point ng ating arc. Click this and then press enter. And kung mapapansin nyo, AutoPips, na-offset na siya through the point. And automatically, nasa inner layer siya. Puntahan natin yung layers natin. And now, nasa inner layer siya automatically. Kasi sinet natin yung layer natin to current. Ngayon, di ko na kailangan ng original na blue line. And select ko lang siya. And then, let's delete it or erase this. So, malinis na. May inner line na tayo. Nasa tamang layer. Nasa tamang location. Okay naman, let's try something else. Palitan natin ng current layer. Punta ulit tayo sa layers panel. And then, let's change it to outer. This one, yung blue. And then, balik tayo sa offset command natin, sa modify panel, then offset. I-right-click natin, then select ulit the layer. Make sure na nakaset pa rin tayo sa current. This time, maglalagay naman tayo ng actual distance, which is 100. And just press enter. Ngayon, if isa-select natin yung polyline, this one, and let's move it palabas, may kita nyo yung preview na may 100 na distance. You can either move it in or outer offset. This time, gusto ko na outer offset ang gagawin natin with a distance of 100 and just simply click it and press enter to finish. So ngayon, may outer offset na tayo na nasa outer layer natin and exactly 100. Now, gawin natin ulit but this time, ibabalik natin sa source layer. So what we wanna do now is offset command ulit under the modify panel. Then let's look for offset command. And then right-click, layer, and change it to source. Distance is still 100. Naalala siya ni AutoCAD. Okay? Then press enter. Ngayon naman, select the polyline ulit and move palabas. Then click it, then enter. And just like that, layered offsets na agad. Clean, controlled, and organized. Last tool na gusto kong ipakita is isa sa pinaka-underrated pero sobrang useful pagdating sa offset, which is the multiple offset. Kung titignan nyo ngayon yung drawing, parang running track na siya or maybe steps papunta sa isang plinth. Try tayo mag-zoom out ng kaunti and let's go to our offset command again under the modify panel. Then 100 daw, let's just accept it. Then let's select the outer object, this one. As we click it, right-click, and then select multiple. Ngayon, say click it. I can also again click it with the same distance of 100. So, this is the second offset and the third offset, fourth offset. Then just press enter to finish and enter to exit. And then done.
Hindi lang basta offset ang offset. Kapag alam mo kung kailan gagamit ng through, kung paano i-control ang layer behavior, at kung kailan gamitin ng multiple offsets, sobrang laki ng tipid mo sa oras at effort. Mas kaunting redraw, mas kaunting erase, at mas consistent ang layers, meaning mas malinis ang drawing at mas productive ang workflow.
Once again, this is Lay, your AutoCAD geek. CAD your way to creativity. Kita-kits sa susunod!